come.
It's kind of heavy.
Here comes Mama and Peyton coming home from the hospital. He's sleeping. How was the car ride?
We did good.
Yeah?
No crying, no nothing.
No, nothing. That's
home.
good.
Say hi to Dad.
There he is. Does he look excited to be home?
I don't know. Where are we going to put him?
We'll go to the living room.
Living room?
Yeah. Coming home from the hospital. Got home from the hospital 36, 37 hours after we got there. Pretty good.
Pretty good. You want me to get unsnapped?
Yeah, let's unsnap him.
Yeah, we're done. We had a good car ride. Yeah. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. My arm's loose. Yeah. Make those faces and then you don't cry. Which is awesome. Now I said that, didn't I?
Uh-oh, spoke too soon.
No. See, look. Megan touched now you're happy.
Priscia's lying.
Chilling.
He's good as long as you don't move him.
Like bounces his head to the music.
He does?
It was just a breathing. Welcome home.
Welcome home, Peyton.